Beyond its large number of troops and strategic combat tactics, Russia is also known for developing highly advanced weapons. Some of these innovations are considered potential game changers in modern warfare. Among these cutting-edge developments is the nuclear torpedo known as Poseidon. It's also called the doomsday weapon. Poseidon is not just another nuke. It is part of Russia's military strategy to challenge Western dominance in defense technology and to symbolize the powerful weapon Moscow has. Poseidon is a fierce underwater nuclear that can unleash radioactive tsunamis. Just imagine the chaos. This development signals more than technological progress. It marks a strategic move in shaping future military dynamics. By keeping specific details under wraps, Russia maintains a deliberate veil of mystery, turning Poseidon into a symbol of quiet strength that commands global attention. And now, here's the thing. Rumors turned into headlines in mid-2025. Poseidon is no longer just a concept on paper. Plans for full deployment of this nuke are in motion. As the news spread, the question is rising. What exactly is Poseidon? And how does it work? Let's uncover the details of it. Imagine you're at the seashore, feeling the cool breeze and hearing the soft sound of the waves. Everything feels calm and peaceful. But then, out of nowhere, something changes. Far away, a huge wave starts to rise and move quickly toward you. It looks like a tsunami, but this one is different. It's not just water. This wave is full of dangerous radiation, caused by one of the most powerful and scary nuclear weapons ever made, known as Poseidon. Who made this nuke? Check this out. In January 2023, the Russian state news agency TASS reported that Russia had successfully built its first long-range, nuclear-powered torpedo known as Poseidon. Engineered to glide along the ocean floor silently, Poseidon can carry a massive nuclear warhead, capable of generating a radioactive tsunami. Military experts warn that if deployed, this weapon could annihilate coastal cities, poison ecosystems for decades, and cause millions of deaths in an instant. This isn't just a weapon, it's a man-made apocalypse. Earlier in May 2025, news about the deployment of the Poseidon was released on the Telegram channel Sputnik International. Russia's army has confirmed that they are rapidly developing a nuclear weapon that the US can't match. The Poseidon was designed to counter US missile defense systems and provide Russia with an unstoppable strike capability. Beyond the background, what are the specifications of this torpedo? Is it superior than any other war weapons? Here are the data of it. Poseidon is a nuclear missile designed to reach targets at unlimited range. This torpedo can travel up to 200 kilometers per hour and could operate at a depth of up to 1,000 meters. This ship weighs more than 90 tons, has a diameter of 2 meters, and is more than 18 meters long. In addition, what makes Poseidon very strong is that it is designed to carry conventional and nuclear weapons with an explosive capacity of up to 2 megatons. Poseidon will be launched from the Belgorod submarine. This nuclear weapon can execute a significant strike on cities or ships in that area, potentially triggering a radioactive tsunami that would inflict severe damage on the targeted region. TASS claimed that Poseidon is mentioned as an ocean-going multi-purpose nuclear system. If Poseidon is compared to other intercontinental ballistic missiles, this torpedo is very slow. However, with its superior specifications, it is impossible to stop with other weapons. With the power of it, it is no wonder that this nuclear power is also called a doomsday weapon. The example of this torpedo's usage aligns with information from a video on the Telegram channel released by Uncensored News. Poseidon's explosion on Britain's shores has the potential to raise a giant wave, which could wipe out Britain in the Kursk region after the Storm Shadow attack. Poseidon marks a significant breakthrough in the evolution of underwater nuclear weapons. Unlike conventional nuclear weapons such as intercontinental ballistic missiles and submarine-launched ballistic missiles, Poseidon is a fully autonomous, unmanned underwater vehicle. The conventional weapons, such as ICBMs, have a ballistic flight path and can be intercepted by defense systems such as THAAD and Aegis. On the flip side, Poseidon moves underwater, which is far beyond the range of these defense systems. This makes it much harder to detect and intercept. Also, Poseidon has benefits in survivability and ecological destructive power. In short, Poseidon is not a replacement for conventional nuclear systems, but is used as a strategic weapon with more advanced forces. So, what's the reason behind its deployment? As an intercontinental, nuclear-powered, nuclear-armed autonomous torpedo, Poseidon is designed to penetrate existing defense systems through autonomous underwater operations with virtually unlimited range, enabling strategic counterattacks against critical coastal targets like cities. Russia created the Poseidon to strengthen its defense capabilities in response to enhancements made in the missile defense systems of the United States and NATO. Furthermore, this weapon is a component of Russia's versatile naval system, designed primarily to target and eliminate enemy naval bases and other crucial strategic sites. The presence of Poseidon strengthens the second strike system, ensuring that Russia has a means of warning that any attack on it will be met with overwhelming force, even if its land or sea-based missile systems have been activated before. Since it launched the invasion of Ukraine, Russia has been more vocal about showing off its nuclear power. Moscow has openly warned Western countries that it's ready to use nuclear weapons if it ever faces what it calls an existential threat to reinforce the country. What are your thoughts on this nuclear weapon? Is it possible for Poseidon to remain invincible forever? Share your opinions in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in today, and see you on another topic.